How to buy Spotify Premium on iPhone. To buy or subscribe to Spotify Premium on your iPhone, you will need to go through Spotify website. You cannot do it through its applications. So, to subscribe to Spotify Premium on your iPhone, go through any browser and search for spotify.com and log into its official website. After logging in, tap the menu or three lines. You can also see Get Premium option on the home page. Tap on it, there you'll see View All Plans option. Go through it and choose a plan that is appropriate for you. Once you choose that, simply hit on the Get Premium option and then your payment process will be begin and then you are good to go. In this very easy step, you can easily buy Spotify Premium on iPhone. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.